Hey guys, and some shocking news coming in about the iPhone 12 series. So we are just a few hours away from the official unveiling of the iPhone 12 lineup, which includes 4 new iPhones, and according to the latest official render from iCloud website, the notch is gonna be a bit smaller than the iPhone 11 series. See, the iPhone 12 mini is getting a small notch, that's cause of a small form factor which is confirmed, and this leak suggests the rest iPhone 12, 12 Pro and Pro Max are also coming with a bit small notch in size. So even a small change is huge. Yeah, also sadly we have final confirmation that 120Hz is not making its way to the iPhone 12 series, and the reason is battery life. In all the drain tests I have done, the iPhone 11 Pro Max won with a small 3969 mAh battery, and they don't want to risk that amazing battery life. John Prosser says Apple choosing between 5G and 120Hz was a hard decision because both affects battery life, so they picked what was important for the future, and that is 5G. 120Hz displays indeed coming to next year's iPhone, so if you can wait, you should wait. They simply won't launch an unfinished product because iPhone is their main smartphone for like whole year, which is gonna serve their millions of customers, so they have to make it perfect. Leak says iPhone 12 battery is gonna see 10% improvement, and that's thanks to their A14 Bionic CPU. The iPhone 12 mini, however, will be the worst in terms of the battery life, and that's cause of a small form factor and a small battery. We saw same thing with the iPhone SE 2020, which had 1800 mAh battery, so I think max the iPhone 12 mini can go 3-4 hours with a continuous usage. Yeah, there are so many reasons to skip the iPhone 12 mini this year and pick the iPhone 12. Ming Chico believes the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 is gonna outsell 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini, and surprisingly the iPhone 12 mini on the other hand will outsell the iPhone 12 Pro and Max. Yeah, not a shocker cause last year's iPhone 11 was the top selling smartphone, and the standard iPhone 12 will sell like hotcakes due to its large screen size, OLED displays and not so expensive price. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is also getting a large camera sensor plus new features like new night mode, macro camera, a large primary and ultra wide sensor, so let's wait. Yeah, I'm super excited for the launch. So summing up all the leaks for new iPhone 12, there is a 5.4-inch 12 mini to 6.1-inch models 12 and 12 Pro, and a huge 6.7-inch Pro Max. A small notch, 5G, A14 Bionic CPU, some camera improvements, LiDAR sensor and whatnot. The price starting from $699 for the 12 mini, and this goes up to $1099 for the 12 Pro Max. So which one are you getting? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.